Oh! Right, left, left, left. He's on there. We gotta get this fish. Chasing down. Here we go, folks. The chase is on for the monster giant. Gaff is ready. Oh my gosh, what's with the missed gaff shots tonight, Tristan? That was close. There we go. He's coming out. There it is. That's the one we've been waiting for. Perfect shot. Right behind the head. That dart stayed in there the whole time. What an amazing fight. What an amazing fish. Nice. Probably 7-pound snake. Beautiful. Let's see. Look at that. That's not coming out for nothing. Wow. Amazing. Yeah. Right there.